Let's talk about something that's been debating in grocery store aisles and pediatrician offices for decades now. Do artificial food colors actually make kids hyper? The answer, it turns out, is more nuanced than a simple yes or no, but the evidence is compelling enough that we need to pay attention. When you look at the randomized controlled trials, what emerges is a consistent pattern. We're not talking about massive behavioral meltdowns in every child who eats a handful of Skittles. Rather, the data shows small but measurable effects in attention and hyperactivity for certain susceptible children. The Southampton studies, which remain some of the most rigorous work in this area, demonstrated that eliminating artificial colors led to noticeable improvements in children already showing attention problems. What's particularly interesting is the dose-response relationship. Higher intakes of synthetic dyes correlate with more pronounced behavioral effects. Birth cohort analyses tracking thousands of children over time have reinforced these findings, showing that regular exposure to artificial colors associates with increased hyperactivity scores, even after controlling for other dietary and socioeconomic factors. Pediatric neurologists I've spoken with emphasize that we're looking at a spectrum of sensitivity. Some children seem entirely unaffected. Others show clear, reproducible responses when challenged with dyes in controlled settings. The mechanism likely involves subtle disruptions in neurotransmitter function, though we're still working out the precise pathways. The practical takeaway here is straightforward. For children struggling with attention or hyperactivity issues, eliminating artificial colors is a low-risk intervention worth trying. The evidence suggests it won't be a magic bullet for everyone, but for a meaningful subset of kids, removing these additives from their diet produces real, observable improvements. That's not speculation anymore. That's what the data shows.